Amid tensions between India and China in the Tawang region, the Air Force Station Hasimara under Eastern Air Command received 36 Rafale aircraft with a water cannon salute on December 16. Air Force Station Hasimara under Eastern Air Command received the last of the 36 Rafale aircraft with a water cannon salute. The aircraft was flown in from France and marks the completion of the delivery of the 4.5 generation fighter aircraft to the IAF, an IAF official said. News Desk, Comedy Global.